Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Wheeler here. I am coming to you live from my house this morning. I hope that you're ready for today's morning message. Make sure that you have a piece of paper and a pencil ready to go. If you need to pause the video, you can do that now to get your supplies. So I'm going to go ahead and start right away. What number month is it? What number month is it? January, February, March, 03. And what day is it? What day of the month is it? It's actually the last day of March today. It is the 31st. And what year is it? 20. Good job. Make sure you have that written down on your piece of paper. Next, what day was yesterday? Yesterday was what day of the week? It's the first day of the week that we come to school because we don't come to school on Sunday. It was Monday, which means today is what day? What day is today? Tuesday. And that means tomorrow will be Wednesday. Good job. Now let's write our date out all together. Today is, what day of the week is it? Tuesday. What comes next? Comma. What month is it? March. What day of the month is it? 31st. What two letters make that sound? St. S-T. What comes next? Comma. And year is 2020. So say it with me. Today is Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. Great job, boys and girls. Let's keep going. Time for our clock today. On our analog clock, we have a time shown. Let's figure out what time it is showing. Okay, so we need to figure out where this hand is pointing, and if I drew a line straight over, almost straight, is it at the 11 yet? No, so which hour does it still belong to? The 10, so it's the 10th hour. And how many minutes have gone by in this hour? We know that the minute hand is not at the 12, it's pointing at the 6. So how many minutes is that? Count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It is what time? 10:30. Good job. Time for our money jar. Let's find out how much money is in here. Okay, I challenge you, if you are getting good at this, you can pause the video and see if you get the amount right. If you still need a little help, follow along for the first part, but then see if you can add the amounts right together. Okay, so how much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. Next, we have our dime. How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. How much is a nickel worth? Oh, that was a terrible cent sign. Okay, there we go. How much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. And last but not least, well, it is the least, how much is a penny worth? We have 2 pennies. How much is each one worth? 1 cent. Okay, so if you're getting good at this, go ahead and pause the video and see if you can add all of these numbers together. If you still need a little help, keep following along with me. So I know that I can combine some of these coins before I add them to make it easier for me. I think I could do 10 plus 5. What is 10 plus 5? 10 plus 5 equals 15. Good job. So now I got this one and this one. Now I can do 25 plus how many? 15 equals what? So now I have the quarter in there, and then I'll just need to add the 2 pennies. What is 25 plus 15? Remember, it's really, 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 really important that we stay in our own lanes. Remember that invisible line. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Good job. So we're going to put the 0 here, and since we have 0 ones now, we have 0 ones, we now have 1 10, we're going to carry that 1 to the tens place. What is 1 plus 2 plus 1 more? 1 plus 2 equals, plus 1 more equals 4. So now I have 40 cents, and I still have to add the 2 pennies. How else could I do that? I could write the 2 here and add it vertically, but there's another way that I could do it that would be pretty easy. 40, 41, 42. Just count with your fingers. So our total for the jar for today is 42 what? Puppies? No, cents. 42 cents. Good job. Okay, time for our did you know fact of the day. Did you know? Did you know that koalas sleep for 20 hours a day? That means that how many hours are they actually awake for in the day? If we have 24 hours in a day, how many hours are koalas awake for? Write it down on your piece of morning work paper. I would love to see if you get it right. Now it's time for our joke of the day. Where do you learn to make ice cream? Where do you learn to make ice cream? Sunday school. It's not written like the Sunday, like the day of the week, but like Sunday and ice cream treat. Good joke of the day. Okay, I will see you guys later, and I hope that you have a great morning and a great day. It's supposed to be beautiful outside today. I will see you later, boys and girls.